fantastic, and you cannot stop it. Nah, you cannot stop it.
The following program contains dangerous stunts performed by professionals. Do not attempt to recreate or imitate any action seen in this program.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new video, guys. It's your boy S1K Rafa, and we got three beautiful bikes here in the garage, as you guys can see. Hey, I love my S1K Rafa custom thing back there. Anyways, but today it's gonna be this bike here. We're gonna be talking about the S1000 today. We actually are about to load up this bad boy, and look how beautiful they look right next to each other. Let me straighten out the wheel in this one. How beautiful they look right next to each other. They love each other. This one got a little bit jealous when I got this one. But anyways, we're gonna load up this bad boy right now into the trailer, and we're gonna head out to homie's house. I finally found the engine I was looking for this bike. Surprisingly, homie's definitely hooking it up. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure if he's gonna let me record or not. I haven't asked him yet, but I'm gonna load it up in the trailer, head over to his place, and then he's gonna do an engine swap. He said it'll be done like in 2 days or so, 3 days. What you guys didn't know is that I actually blew the head on this bike a couple months ago. So I was down for a while. That's my reason for my absence on social media so much. But we finally have an engine. The bike's dead right now as we speak. So there is no power on the bike. It's been not used for over 3 months, I want to say. But we are finally gonna get it done. We're finally gonna get her fixed, get her back on the road, get more content on this bike, and do a comparison video maybe in the future of how these two bikes are different with the 4 years apart that they are. So let's go ahead and load her up in the trailer. I'm about to go hook up the trailer to my truck, load her up, and then head over to homie's house in a little bit. So you guys stay tuned. This video is going to be in multiple days. So today's the day we drop it off. And at the end of the video, you guys will see me picking it up, and hopefully the bike starts and everything. And yeah, so let's get to it. All right, there she is, the trailer and the truck. I actually started the trailer in my parents' house, so I had to come hook it up, and now I gotta go back to my place and load up the bike. But man, I can't get over this trailer, man. I did so hold the phone in my face so y'all don't see my face, but I did such a incredible actually I copied the design from a BMW trailer I saw at MotoGP one day, and I just loved it. I think it fits both bikes now, and it just looks official, you know. I used to think this trailer was way bigger. It is way bigger than my other white trailer, but now I saw Fast Lane D pulled up, and he fits 5 bikes in his trailer. I don't know how the hell, but mine only fits 3, surprisingly, with enough room. But I'm comfortable with that. I mean, I have 3 bikes right now, so that's probably later on in the future I'll add on to the fleet, but maybe. The homie's gonna test ride the bike when he swaps out the engine, so I don't want that windscreen flying out on him and stuff. So go ahead and put on these 4 little bolts. All right, boys and girls, she is still gorgeous, man. I can't get over this bike. This bike has brought me a lot of memories, has brought me close to you guys. If it wasn't for this bike, it would just, none of this would be here. But I can't get over this bike. As much as I love the M, I mean, there's a special connection between me and this S1000RR. She's just gorgeous, man. I don't think I'll ever get over this bike. Just that front nose that I did on her, she just looks so mean, man. But let's go ahead and load her up, strap her down with the Pitbull's restraint system, and head over to homie's house and see if I can record out there. I don't know, it's his place, so I gotta ask him first, but we'll see. I know for a fact he doesn't show his face either, so I'll see if even if he wants me to say who he is, but we'll just go from there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just took this baby off the trailer real quick. We just pulled up to homie's house. It's actually the homie Sly. I just asked him, and I asked him if I could record in here. I just didn't want to, you know, avoid his privacy of being at his own place. But he's got quite a few projects going on in here. He does work from home, so that's pretty dope. And he's the one that actually has the engine for me. So we're gonna get down to business. He's gonna take care of the bike, and then just go from there. He said it's gonna be ready in a few days, but we'll probably just have to let him do his thing. He's got this beautiful yellow Busa here. That thing looks like it pulls, man. But we're just gonna let him do his thing with the S1000, and then let's just hope for the best. He was mentioning that the bike might have to get retuned after we get the engine swap on it, just because there's a few different things on the engine going on. So we're just gonna go ahead and leave this with him and let him do his magic. So we'll get a little update here on the next clip. Probably hear this bad boy start. All right, just to give you guys a reference, that's the new bad boy in there. That's the one that's going in the bike. So it's just put up in the corner right now, but next time we see it, it should be slapped on the bike, and then we'll see mine taking off. So
has an alpha gasket, cut oil pan. It made 217 horsepower.
damn,
Should be good. Should be good. It's a good engine. It only has like 6K miles.
should be good for my fat ass, man. I'm 220, 226.
Stop it. Good for Willies for sure. For sure.
Yeah.
We got
All
you.
right. Sounds good, brother. Appreciate you, man.
Good morning. I'm drinking my morning coffee. Starting on Rafa's build. I had to put some bikes inside the house because there's no room outside. This is the fastest of the garage right here, believe it or not. Gen 6, 2022 I believe. 2018 Gixxer. 2020 R6. I had to put them over here because there's no space. I woke up extra early today so I can start with whatchamacallit, Rafa's build. Turn off the air for a little bit. A little promo. I got Rafa's K67 custom paint everywhere, carbon fiber everywhere, as you can see. I'll give you just a little walk around of what I have here. Obviously K67s. It's just a service. Waiting on some wheels from Box. They take usually like 10 to 12 weeks if you order something custom like paint or something. This is my Romy bike, Sabin. Obviously I had to put bikes outside as well. One of my favorite builds, La Titi, my newest addition to the family. 2022 or 2023 Chrome, can't remember, but it's so fun. I've been riding that bike more than any other 1K. It's so fun. You guys can see it's still 5 a.m. I decided to wake up extra early today to finish this bike in one day. Basically what we're doing is getting that motor down and put that motor in, and yeah, I'm just gonna record you through the process. We'll take the plastics off first. Obviously I took the fairings off first. Disconnected the coolant lines, o las líneas de donde va el coolant, como se diga. Obviously I drained the oil. I took the exhaust out. Here I already took the airbox out. What's next is just disconnect the throttle bodies. It has a lot of sensors over here in the, not on the radiator, but close to the radiator. Take out the sprocket, chain. It's going down. And then we're putting that one back up. Hopefully have it done by today. This is a one-day job. If he's a good friend. If he's not a good friend, I'll tell him in 2 weeks. Just kidding, though. You're a good guy. Yeah, that's just a little update of how it's going. When the motor is down, I'll record a little bit more again, and then when the other motor is up, and all this updates.
Tomorrow.
Woo! She is done, and we got her friend. Oh shit. Hola, güey. No mames, vos más endeudado. Obviously, she looks the same, but not the same. Yeah. Ooh, I see that fresh green oil on there. How bad was it?
Okay, let me
How bad?
Yeah. Like to take it off and...
Oh, for the case cover?
No, the whole thing, the engine.
The thing is that I
Quick. How long do you take? Like 3 hours?
7.
7 in total?
7, yeah, 7 total hours.
So
Since the moment that I took the fairings all off and
Yeah.
then I put it back on, everything, 7 hours.
Then we're gonna have to bring it back later on for the fork seals. I was already talking to Sly about it, and I told him that that my seals are leaking, and it's bad. So but right now that's all the wheelie shit we're doing out here. We got to learn how to bring down the bike slowly. I did talk to Bren as far as like the whole file goes, because there's a code. We're gonna start her up real quick. There's a code that comes up on the engine being faulty, but they told me to go ahead and flash it back to stock, and then there we go. So we're gonna flash it back to stock and then flash it back, and then we'll see what that goes. But they want to know the codes, so we'll do that. All right, we're having to test it real quick because, you guys didn't hear how it sounded before with the scratched head, but it sounds about the same. It's like, to me, it sounds more like a coil still out. I'm not too sure about that, but good news is that my old engine has brand new coils that BMW installed on there. Brand new coils, brand new spark plugs. So I can just transfer those over to this engine, but hopefully it's not. Oh man, it sounds the same, I'll tell you that. In the meanwhile, when he comes back, let's check out these spikes out here. What is this? He got a Gixxer. This guy's more about whole road racing. Right now he's running that brand new boost out there. Not brand new, but it's new to him. Hadn't seen it before. That thing's nice. And then there's my old poor little engine. But man, this hopefully is not. It's definitely my engine. I recognize it. I'll tell you that. All right, guys. So we'll just basically say that this could be another progress video. Bike's still not running at 100%, but at least we know it has a new engine on it. We can start with that because this one's not gonna have a cracked head. That's a good thing there. We did plug in the GS911 on it just now. Sly plugged it in, and it read that we had a faulty coil number 2. Right before everything happened, BMW actually swapped out all my coils on my engine. Brand new coils, brand new spark plugs. So I'm gonna take it home. I'll probably swap out the coils myself. Just put all 4 of them brand new on the bike. And yeah, so that I think we're just gonna end the video here. I dropped it off, I picked it up. Bike starts, which is a good sign. Go swap out these coils real quick and figure it out from there. But let's load her up. And we do have the M inside the trailer here. So this is actually gonna be the first time that both bikes will be in this trailer together. So, all right, yeah. So just unloaded the S1K back down. We went from one spot to the other, but this probably will end up the video. Engine did get swapped out. My old engine's right there. Sly swapped out the engine, so I appreciate you, Sly, for coming in clutch on that engine. I do still gotta replace my coils back to from my old engine to my new one. These are brand new coils that BMW slapped on my bike right after it broke down. Yeah, I gotta check that out. But yeah, guys, and then we're dropping off the M to get some PPF on the front nose, just the front. I think I already have one rock chip right here, and hopefully they can take it off. But that's about it. We're gonna end the video here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Appreciate all the support. Up until the next one. Yeah, I don't think I'll make a video for the PPF on the bike, but up until the next one, appreciate you guys. Love you all. Be safe out there. Peace.